What's up, you dirty little hoggers? We are down here in big old DR, Dominican Republic, with my boy, the Young Travelers.
Let's go.
And we are on the beach. Got a little sabiki tied on. Haven't seen much, seen a few needlefish, but we got some structure out here. And we're gonna go give her a shot. There we are. What'd I get? What'd I get? You don't know what it's called?
What?
It's called a slippery dick.
Let's go. We have to show them those colors. We caught our first hog.
First hog, a nice, beautiful, slippery dick.
Let's go. It's actually beautiful fish.
They are super pretty.
It looks like a parrotfish almost.
Yeah, they're a type of wrasse.
Dude, look at those teeth.
I do actually have some monsters. I've caught like an 8-inch one. Oh,
well, there he goes. Dope. Slippery dick.
Slaying the slippery dicks.
Nice. Good shit.
We got one, baby.
We're catching hogs. We're just catching slippery dicks. Oh shit, dude, right at our feet.
What the hell?
Wait, bring it in. Right here, just drop it right in front of us. I'm telling you, dude. These are what the fish do.
So stupid.
Are these trying to...
Yeah, they're eating it.
I told you, dude. I told you.
There we go, a little mahara.
Right in front of us.
That is such good bait.
Really?
Yeah.
For the hog?
For the hog.
All right.
This thing is freaking.
We got another one.
Freaking out. Relax, fish.
Come here, dude.
They do have spines.
She is tripping.
In Florida, we call them a tidewater mahara, but this might be a different type of mahara.
She is tripping.
Yeah.
Dope. Fish number 2. Got a sea urchin right here.
Wonder if that's what all these are.
Here. We're just enjoying the remote beach out here in Cabo, Rojo, with this beautiful backdrop of the mountains and the beach.
Very neat.
Dude, they're still one.
I know, they're so stupid.
That's what I was talking about when I was like, you could just do it with your fingers. Alright, you hoggers. We got a bunch of fish down here. We're trying to catch one for some bait. Check it out.
There was spot number 1. Ended up catching a mahara and a slippery dick. There we are.
Success.
So
Caught some hogs.
the sabiki's working. We're gonna move down to a tree here, see if there's like a barracuda or something on it. Maybe a snook. I actually don't know if there are snook here, but we'll see.
We're over here. We found a few squid. Get the orange out.
I don't think they eat this.
If you guys can see right there.
Should I make him squid again?
Little inker.
Pinky.
He's not scared of you anymore.
What an eye. Oh!
How do you catch a squid?
I have no clue. That was cool
There's
though.
2 right there.
Oh, he's back. He's back.
Wait, I want to get this on the vlog.
Made him ink, dude.
That made me ink.
I'm scaring him right to us.
Oh my god.
There's something. What'd I get? What'd I get?
You got one?
I did.
Oh, yeah. He's perfect.
I don't know what this is. That's cool though. I don't think you can use it.
Why? Too big?
I just don't know what it is.
Oh. That is fair. Also, fair point. He's cool.
He is. He's pretty. Look at the
Enjoy
blue.
the hogs?
Oh yeah, I'm filming.
Damn, that guy's sick.
Looks like some type of jack.
He's gonna grow up to be one big dude.
He's neat though.
Oh, blue.
Huh. Yeah.
Yo, if you know in the comments, let us know.
Yeah.
What is this hog?
Give me my bait back. Cool.
That's dope.
That's not bigger. Oh! Oh my god! I just got smoked. Holy. Holy. What just happened? I think I just got smoked by a cuda. That was wild. And it just stole me. Wow. I got smoked by something small and then a cuda came and ate me. Will might be right. It's time. There are big fish here. I'm gonna tie a swim bait on.
This is massive for the franchise.
Of course. I'm on.
Oh,
Small.
I mean, he's big enough to eat that bait.
True. It'll be biggest of the day, I bet.
Hog?
No. I think he's still on. What is this?
What is that thing?
It's a lizard fish.
Ugh.
You can touch them. They have teeth though.
Dude, he looks sick.
They're pretty neat. Catch these in Florida.
Not bad.
Cool.
It does look like a lizard.
Little lizard fish.
Hog of the day. So
Hog of the day. I wonder if that's what that is out there. I'll catch more of them. That was fun. Jesus, I'm out of line.
Really? Oh!
Back to back.
Oh!
I think it's just another one of them.
I didn't even see a single one of those.
They hang out in the sand. I think they like bury themselves.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Swim bait was the move.
I got it, dude. I was thinking.
Yep, another one.
He's a little. This one's a little bigger.
A little bit.
Just cast him out there.
Yeah. Lizard. Straight down to the sand. Behind. No, he's just sitting there.
Can I get a cast?
Yeah, man.
Ooh, I like this cast of
Oh shit. I think he took you into the.
Oh.
Oh.
I thought I had a hog. I'll go out there.
Okay. I'll swap you.
I have to grab my goggles.
Yep.
Damn it. That was awesome for a second.
Nothing on cast one.
Oh, man.
Oh!
I almost had one.
I saw that. That was sick. It was a lizard.
Why didn't he attack it earlier?
That was cool. That was right next to us.
Yeah, why did he do that? I like.
He's probably following it for a while.
I gave up. I didn't even.
Oh, that was one, wasn't it? Or is that just you?
I think I might have got one.
Yeah, just reel straight. You don't have to set the hook anymore.
Oh, I got it.
Yep, just reel it in without jerking back and forth.
Hold on.
You got one, I think. Never mind.
Oh, what?
You might have just popped off.
He did pop off, right?
So when you hook into one, you just keep reeling straight. Don't like go like that, because then it'll like give slack and it'll pop off.
Heard. That makes sense. So I had one.
You had one.
I just f***ed it up.
Yeah.
It's all good.
You're learning.
After you set the hook, reel straight.
Yep. You don't have to set it anymore.
It's already in there.
Yep. We're testing balance here now. Oh, that's a good idea.
There's also needles.
Nails.
Where's that guy?
It's not here.
One at a time.
Yeah, that's probably a better idea.
Because then if it snaps into the
Right. Walk the line. That was a nail. There's a nail right there. Be careful. It went through my shoe. Right. I'm happy I'm in shoes. I don't know about this now.
Dude, hold on. This might be good. Hold on. This is sketchy.
Super sketchy.
It got worse.
100% got worse. Oh, lizard! Yeah. Oh, that was sick. So many lizards. You could probably actually catch one here. You want to? Want me to come back to you? Maybe. Oh my God. You're catching a fish here today, bud. All right, I'm over it.